When using the Tramex Moisture Encounter 5, the ME5, it's good to know how to turn off the beeper and why you might want to. The ME5 has two scales on the analog face. The top is the wood percentage of moisture content scale, and the bottom scale is a comparative scale. So you'll see here there's 5 settings on the meter. The first setting, wood, correlates with that top wood scale. The second setting, shallow depth, can be used on either scale. When you get to the third, fourth, and fifth setting, these are to be used along with the comparative scale. And therefore the beeper, which is dictated by the color scheme on the wood scale, is sometimes irrelevant. So the easy way to turn that beeper off is with this button here. You see a little sound indication in the lower right corner. Don't let that fool you that that's the place you need to press, because it's just to indicate that that button is a hold button as well as the button to turn off this beeper. So to turn that off, you're just going to press the button twice quickly. And you see now when I put my finger underneath the meter, it's not giving me any beeper indication. That should help to avoid any confusion with the two scales and what the numbers are indicating. Thanks for watching Tramex Tips.